What the fuck? Seriously, dude?
Oh, shit. Yo.
И она прошла, потому что она вечно спит, да, и я 4 часа, 4:15, это самый первый человек. Что? Авария?
Да.
О, как ты заметил?
Что, она въехала прямо перед нами?
А кто она в стоящую машину въехала? Она пьяная, что ли?
White lady, like E20558.
Это хозяйка. Сделай YouTube. Чем куда ты идешь?
You're on dash cam!
Чем не надо? Чем не надо, пожалуйста?
You're on dash camera! I'm calling the cops! Фарид, тех, кто меня ударил, нашли?
У тебя вода бензина горит.
AE20558.
Emergency services. This call may be recorded or monitored for quality purposes.
So, I guess you touched it. Would you like to have infinite power and no responsibility? You mean, what do I do with it? Well, let's stay on the same topic to the rest of the cast. Any other favorite foes or obstacles, moments of finding the script? Oh, this is going to be a fun one to shoot. I can't wait to see how we get out of this jam that we found ourselves in.
Oh, God damn it. Again? Oh, God.
What are you doing? Turn right! Good! You can turn right on red! Oh, fuck off!
Striped bikini who was busted for drunk driving last April. Not a sight you see every day. A curvaceous blonde grandma taking a sobriety test following a car crash. Patricia Ebel had just rammed her luxury BMW into a red Mustang in Naples, Florida. Cops say she reeked of alcohol and failed every sobriety test they gave her. Worse yet, she just spent the day swimming with her 10-year-old grandson, who stood by helplessly while grandma can be seen fixing her hair. She even seemed to be flirting with cops. Luckily, no one was hurt in the crash.
You know why you're going to jail?
No.
You don't?
No. Granny pleaded no contest to DUI. She was given 1-year probation and ordered to stay off the booze. Well, guess what? She's been busted again, this time by her probation officer, who gave her a breathalyzer test on Tuesday, which they say she failed. Patricia Ebel was immediately rearrested and thrown into jail, where she is being held without bond until a court hearing January 19th.
Ma'am, you know why you're going to jail?
No.
You go to fuck CJ. Jail.
Tell me,
Don't play at me. You tried to run me over with a mother. You better be lucky y'all.
I ain't no honky. I'm Mexican, you piece of shit. You're gonna go on YouTube, dumb.
See, if you hurry up before they call one of their men and we all get killed.